Okay, let's get in some more trading recommendations as well on the show, as the pullback in the markets is indeed evident. Sarvinder Srivastav as well as Samit Chavan with us on the show. Sarvinder, would like to start off with you. It's a fairly choppy market to deal with at this point, so what are the strategies that you're adopting?
See, first thing that we have to be very clear as to what direction that you want to trade. So we at FiCense believe that we are very clear in the direction we want to trade on the long side. More on the long side. We also have short trades sector-wise, but we want to trade more on the long side. So that's essentially the strategy, and levels that you would look at into this bounce will be around 73.80, 74.50, which is the target range for this pullback. So we are just classifying this as a pullback right now, and we are saying that we want to play till 73.80, 74.50. So in that sense, quite a few stock-specific trades, and I have three all on the buy side today. The first one being Axis Bank. That's been our favorite from around 390, 400 odd levels. Axis Bank is witnessing buying over the last 15-20 days. A lot of delivery-based accumulation is clearly visible here, and my sense is that long-term hands and the stronger hands are getting into this counter. So, but sticking to the time frame and of our particular show, I'll look to buy for a target of around 414. So traders can look at that target from the trading angle. 394.40 is what I would recommend as a stop loss on Axis Bank. Next one that I have is Tata Motors. Again a long-term favorite now from here on. What we believe is that medium to long-term supports at around 280, 300 for Tata Motors. So exceptionally good risk rewards for anybody who wants to buy and hold deliveries for 6 months plus as well. But from the trading angle, 319 is the target, and what I would keep as a stop loss here is 301.40. That is what I would put as a stop loss there. And the last one, we continue to now start liking the housing finance space. So LIC, DHFL both looking good, but I will pick DHFL for the day for a target of around 157 from the trading side, from the trading angle in fact, and stop loss at 147.40 is what I would recommend.
In fact, the pullback is only getting stronger now. We've got Samit Chavan also right here with us. And Samit, what do you make of this sharp recovery that we've had, in just a matter of, I would say, about half an hour or so? And what would be your recommendations for today?
Good morning, Megha. Nifty has certainly given a sharp recovery from its intraday support levels of 6960, 6980. We expect this move to extend, could extend towards 7150, 7180 also. Thus, we have all buy recommendation in our list. First one would be on NTPC. This stock looks positive not only with a short-term perspective but with a medium-term perspective as well. On the weekly chart, this stock has given a breakout from its immediate resistance of 125, 126, which was the hammer pattern high created last week. Looking at the overall momentum, we expect this move to extend probably towards 140, 141 over the next few sessions, and one can buy the stock by keeping stop loss at 119. Our other buy would be on Arvind. 15-20 minutes back, this was trading around 270, 272. It has spiked up in last 15-20 minutes, but I would modify my target. My target would be now at 295, and one can buy this stock at 266. Chart structure certainly looks good. The stock has retraced its recent up move by 61.8%, and we expect this move to extend over the next few sessions. Thus, it can be bought for a target of 295. And other buy recommendation would be on Dr. Reddy's. It's a predefined buy call. 2940 is a strong resistance on hourly chart. Looking at the daily chart structure, the possibility of breaking this high is quite possible, but we would rather wait for this breakout to happen with good volumes. Thus, it can be bought only beyond 2940. In that case, our target would be at 3180, and stop loss would be 2795.
Okay, thanks for that. Running us through all of your top recommendations, 3 buy calls, NTPC, Arvind and Dr. Reddy's. But let's move right on and shift focus to an ET Now exclusive. And the focus is on Realty Major Godrej Properties. Fresh from the successful launch of its flagship project, The Trees, in Vikhroli in Mumbai, Godrej Properties